The ProPilot Assist system is located right next to your cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel on this 2020 Nissan Rogue. To activate it, you turn on the blue button and you'll see the screen display change. It will show you your lane departure information, turning it on or just highlighting it to let you know that it's going to be using it, and then it will go back to your steering assist screen. You can see all of your cruise control information is there. So first you do have to set your cruise control in order for the ProPilot Assist system to work. So once you get to your desired speed, you click set and it will display the speed that you are going, or have it set at on the very top there. Once the car picks up the lane markings on the side of the road, you will hear a beep, and this steering wheel as well as the lane markings on the side of the vehicle will light up green. That's how you know it's working and it's active. The vehicle will be centered on the lane, so you will feel a little movement on the steering wheel without you doing it. It is a hands-on system, so you do have to have your hands on the steering wheel for it to function. If you let go of the steering wheel and try to let the car do the driving on its own, it will alert you to put your hands back on the steering wheel. If you don't put your hands back on the steering wheel, the car will actually come to a complete stop after 10 seconds. You can choose to drive without the steering assist if you don't prefer not to. There's a little button on the lower left hand side of the steering wheel. You click it and it turns the steering assist off, and it will just be using the cruise control without that steering assist.